Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may answer your questions or clear your doubts. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first for your general energies, Leos. So we have mountain, child, and choices. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your personal life, in your relationship, or in your work situation. You have a lot of challenges to be faced. Maybe you have a lot of burdens on your shoulders in your work situation, and things are really overwhelming you. Maybe you have many responsibilities and you have many things to do in your daily day-to-day life, and you feel you are the one responsible. You need to do everything and you are someone who is really busy working day in and day out, someone having a lot on your shoulders, guys. And the reason, maybe you are someone in an important place in your work. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone with a lot of responsibilities. Or for some of you, you have started on something new, maybe a new project or a new path in your career. That may be the reason for increased responsibilities. And there are many offers coming towards you, opportunities in your situation, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You may find people attracted to your beauty and charm. They may show their interest in you, coming towards you, maybe, guys. But you are thinking and you are planning. Maybe for some of you, you are in a good relationship, good place in this connection, and you're moving towards that stronger commitment, a deeper responsibility. Maybe you're planning to start a family with this person and have a child together, some kind of you're stepping up, maybe moving towards a strong, meaningful connection that has great responsibilities. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. So we have ship. So in your relationship, maybe you have a particular way of thinking, or your perception is different from theirs. Maybe you go by the book, stick to the rules, whatever you have for yourself. But this person you love, they are quite adventurous and they are fun loving. And maybe once in a while you must accept their way of things. If you want a deep, meaningful connection, maybe think out of the box in this relationship. So you need to accept their ideas or suggestions once in a while, guys. Otherwise, this connection may not move towards that deep, meaningful bond you both share. And for some of you, you are having travel plans together. Maybe you are planning a holiday, planning to go somewhere, maybe an adventure trip. So that is also what I see, guys, for this card in your relationship. So for your career situation, it is cross. So, in your work situation, just like I said, you have many responsibilities on your shoulders, and some things may go right and some things may go wrong. Certain things may turn out positively beyond your expectations, but sometimes it may not. And you feel that you have done a lot, sacrificed a lot, suffered a lot in your career situation. So you have that acceptance in your heart today, finding peace no matter what your situation is. So maybe for some of you, you are turning to some kind of a ritual or belief to comfort yourself, find comfort in yourself, and maybe whatever is destined is coming towards you guys. So you need not worry about certain things that are not going right today in your work situation, guys. So destiny is working, so you need not worry, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now, but now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship, and this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change, but when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the little match girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, what to say, in a particular circumstance we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to what to say, avoid this sadness, but this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our what to say, the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength and love. If we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.